Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 32. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here and a 7 here, so this is our 3. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 2 here. So this is our 9. Don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 6 here. So 2, 9. Same here, 2, 9. And so if we look, the only place our 5 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 and 4 here and a 9 here, so this is our 8. 2 here and 9 here, so this is our 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 7, 2. That 2 makes this our 6 and 2. For this top row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, so 1, 4. And no help here, so 1, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1. That makes this our 3. We can get rid of this 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 7. Oh. 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7, 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 8 here, so 6, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 6, 9, and that 6 makes this our 7, 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.